When persuading, you're trying to convince the other party, the reader. Yes, but there are so many types of reader, right? For example, my dear student, some of you, okay, might actually celebrate Mother's Day, okay, throughout your lifetime, okay. It's a culture in your family, like in my family, okay. Every year we must celebrate Mother's Day. That is like a must, and that is a culture in my family. It's never like we can skip, okay, because we understood the sacrifice of the mother. So we want to show that appreciation, and especially Mother's Day, we will definitely try to make it a bit special, right? More like special. So that's a culture in my family, okay? And I am blessed because I do still have my mother. Therefore, I can celebrate Mother's Day. So I definitely, for this article, it will remind me, right? When I look at this, I'm not going to be impact heavily because I already celebrate it every year. It's in, right? It is for me, but it gives me like a reminder, oh, I should appreciate more. The sentence here, we should celebrate and thankful to our mothers every day of the year. This sentence is the only sentence that really hit me because I always celebrate Mother's Day. But the one sentence that really hits me is to show appreciation not just on Mother's Day. Although I do thank my mother every day, but I felt I could do better. So I do it in many different ways, but sometimes I still feel that I could do it better. So yeah, but for this particular article, the most impact that it can make is for which kind of audience? Audience who has a mother, but do they celebrate with their mother or no? Who will be persuaded more? No, right? No. So those students, okay, who celebrate Mother's Day already, you won't feel as much, right? But for those students, okay, you don't have to show your hands, it's okay. Maybe, this article remind you gently that this year you did not celebrate Mother's Day, right? And you're like, oh no, I've forgotten to create a gift. So I should try to make it up, okay? So then this article itself persuaded you in some sense, remind you, and also take action, okay? So that will most probably be the kind of audience that this article has most impact, okay? Because they did not celebrate Mother's Day, and for some reasons, and they could have celebrated it, but they did not. So these kind of article will remind them and persuade them. Okay, so yeah, for those who are in front of the class, but you guys did not celebrate Mother's Day, but you could have, and you felt like you could have shown appreciation. Are you persuaded? Are you persuaded? For example, maybe in some culture, you do not celebrate at all, okay? Some family, they never celebrate Mother's Day, ever, never, okay? Maybe in the house culture, you never celebrate Mother's Day, never, okay? Because somehow your mother does not, insist you to do it, and somehow you did not hope into this kind of culture. These kind of article will perhaps change your mind, okay? Oh, I think I should start celebrating Mother's Day. So that's why the persuasion is there. It's asking you to change your mindset about Mother's Day and to change your attitude, okay? So that's why we see this as persuasion.